fathers. मैं तो guide book किया. When I was my first son was born, I was actually so ignorant of many things that now I am realizing that I should have guided him. But my wife says, अच्छा हुआ आपने guide नहीं किया. जो थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा है वो भी नहीं किया होता, आप तो उसको पूरा पागल बना देते हैं. Because I would have taught him philosophy, and myself is a PhD, so I would have taught him philosophy. So what I am telling is, if you have to walk without feet, means you will not estimate, you will not assess, you will just see the vision that you have to attain it, and the mother in you, your mother never had a manual to make you up. In fact, now women are having that immunization schedule, this schedule, that schedule. I don't know whether they gave me polio ka tika also. But theek hai abhi. Tab tak to theek hai. I don't know whether they gave me BCG or TPG. I don't know, because we are from a very different generation. So what I am trying to do is, one day, fly without wings. Can you fly without wings? Who needs the wings? Birds. Very good. Logically right. मैं लेकिन इतने सीधे आंसर्स के लिए नहीं विचार कर रहा हूँ. Life is not so easy. Okay. Birds need wings. You don't want to fly? हाँ? अब एरोप्लेन मत बोलो. तो मेरे को लॉजिक में मत ले जाओ. थोड़ा हट के. Parachutes. Yeah. So, a man who wants to fly need not always fly in the sky. You know that? You want to fly in the sky always? मैं तो फ्लाइट के बारे में क्या बोला? I have told it very clear. Walk without feet. तो टांगे मत तोड़ लेना था. मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. डिस्क्लेमर है स्टेटमेंट में, जाके कुछ गलती का मत कीजिए. ठीक है? Fly without wings. I am not saying you put one wings like that Montgolfier and that balloon and that experiment and start flying. I am telling the intent. If you want to fly, you just need to have a good intent, the desire or the motivation to fly. You don't always need things. The biggest problem with all of us is we start thinking, but we use our mind. And mind is a trick. Mind is nonsense. Mind is clever. Keep your mind aside for 10 minutes and think how to improve, say, your family or your organization or your department. Believe me, the results are going to be interesting, because when you keep your mind aside, you are moving from consciousness to unconsciousness. Subconsciousness. Then you start getting enlightened. Meditation happens. Meditate for a while. You can create quality. Meditate for a while. So, coding, you don't have to follow Java coding principle, PHP. You could do cowboy coding. What is cowboy coding? Just pick up some code, as he was telling, do something, this rugby type, some spaghetti type, just do it. Make mistakes, do it. We can put a code reviewer or a peer reviewer. Number two, most of your managers are culprits. Sorry. डांटिए मत मुझे. Most of you are good, but your managers are culprits. Because what does the manager do? They diminish you. You know what is the meaning of diminish? Demotivate. Yes. Many of them have been told to do management and not leadership. You know the difference between leadership and management? Yes, he is nodding. Difference?
Management is like they'll ask you to do work, and leadership is like he'll put extra efforts by himself.
Yeah, leader is without fear. Who is a leader without fear? He has acceptance offer letter of one company in the right pocket. He has a resignation letter of the current company in the left pocket, and he sits in the meeting. He's a Nehru, he's a Mandela, he's a Gandhi. He will speak the truth. He's a leader. Who is a manager? Very common man. Manages constraints. Less people, less money, less budget, and he does more with less. आपको exploit करता है manager. Most of the managers exploits you because they want to do more with less. They have less men, they have less money, they have less managerial focus, they have very less market. They will motivate you also less, but they will say काम कर. And I'm not blaming all the managers. Some are good, some are becoming good leaders, but most of the managers are telling you, if you don't have feet, you will cripple. They are telling if you don't have wings, MBA नहीं पढ़ा तो मैनेजर नहीं बन सकते हो. ये बोलता है कि कंप्यूटर साइंस नहीं पढ़ा तो प्रोग्राम नहीं लिख सकते हो. माध्यम. See the words. Without wings means license चाहिए आपको. You need to be an engineer. You have to. I did PhD out of my personal passion. But PhD has nothing to do with the work I do today, honestly. I wrote a thesis about quality and many things. It has nothing to do, just a thappa I did out of interest. As simple as that. Many managers say, you are useless, you don't have mind. Then you have to ask the manager, what mind you have? Tell me, I want to learn your mind. So everybody is looking for a thappa from you. I want that feet which has this type of a shoe. I want that wings which has this type of feather. I want this mind, because if you put all this, then you can deliver. I'm sorry, it cannot happen. They become tyrant, they become micromanager, and they become a lala. What is a lala? Lala क्या करता है? Any lalas in the room? Sorry. Investment. That means ROI. क्या भैया ROI बहुत डेंजरस चीज हो गई आजकल. अब तो मेरी बीवी भी पूछने लगी. कुछ भी काम करते हैं उसका ROI क्या है? अरे भाई हर काम का थोड़ी ROI होता है. रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट. कुछ कुछ प्यार से कर दो, कुछ कुछ दिल से ऐसे ही कर दो ना. क्या हुआ? पैशन से कर दो. क्या हर चीज के लिए ROI? टुडे टुमारो विल गो देयर. नो, व्हाट इज ROI? पेट्रोल वेस्ट, दिस वेस्ट. देन लेट अस गो टू दैट हिल एंड सी हाउ इट इज. Let us go to that mountain. Yes, they are telling you are stupid, doctor. You are wasting our time. No ROI. I don't do the debate. I live it. Challenge. Challenge the status quo. How many of you have challenged the status quo in the last, how many years, sir, in the industry? 20 years. Yeah, he is a very seasoned old person. Yes. Have you faced the problems which I am talking, or am I talking something different? Yes. Have you challenged the system? No.
I'm on sabbatical. I'm on sabbatical.
So on sabbatical, that itself is the fact that he has taken a risk taker. Somebody who has taken a sabbatical, you can understand, to write a book. I took a lot of sabbaticals to write book, papers, everything. So
More
you are working for which company?
I'm not working anywhere now.
Not anything. And what are you? Why are you taking this break?
More to self-learn and grow.
Perfect.
And be with the family.
Perfect. Secret number 1 पे आ गई है.
Yes.
He has come back to secret number 1. He is doing his introspection. Who am I? ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ? वक्त की तेज रफ्तार के साथ हम चलते निकल गए. उसके बाद इतने थक गए कि इन्होंने sabbatical ले लिया. Am I right? Putting your thought process right? Okay. So he is in the second part. He has never challenged. Don't worry. Have enough money in the bank and challenge your boss, even if he throws you. Take another offer letter and then बैठ जाइए एक दिन. Waiting for that. कितना अच्छा लगता है. हर एम्प्लॉय का एक ही ख्वाहिश रहता है कि कब मेरे बॉस के मुंह पे हम
6 दिन आने वाले.
क्या करता है वो? तैयारी वैयारी कर लेता है, दूसरा जॉब ले लेता है अच्छे CTC का और जाके बैठ जाता है. Sometimes I am very worried when my senior managers talk in a very different way. लगता है इसको कोई नौकरी मिल गया है, चाल चलन तौर तरीका सब अलग हो रहा है, something कुछ गड़बड़ है. So I am very happy. Yes, good. He is challenging me. He is saying, doctor, what are you doing? Liberate me. Liberator. Most of your managers are nothing but they want to build empire. सबको अपना जागीर चाहिए. fiefdom. कितना है आपके पास king size? 10. मेरे पास 20 है. आपके पास कितना है? 30 है. आपके पास कितना है? 40 है. What is the end, man? Come on. We are not Akbar or Aurangzeb to have jagirs and empire. We are here to build total quality people. People who are enjoying the process of being happy. By God's grace, you have everything. All of you are employed, no?
Yes.
You have got the Maslow's lower grid. Maslow said you have a physiological need, you have a social need, you have a status need, you have self-actualized need. You have got jobs. What next? You want to be having esteem. What next? You want to be a part of the society. What next? You want to do self-actualization. So friends, forget the managers who says you can't walk without feet. You can still walk without feet. Forget the managers who say you can't fly without wings. You don't need a wing to fly. You need that heart, that willpower to fly. You can fly. You don't have to use mind always. This mind is a very dangerous thing. Keep the mind aside. Meditate. You got quality. Don't use mind every time. Mind is very tricky. Mind will only equate you. LHS is equal to ROI. यही है mind. ROI भी दिखाओ. बीबी हर बात पे ROI पूछती है आजकल. मैं बोला कुछ काम बिना ROI का भी कीजिए. You can do many things without ROI. कहाँ जा रहे हो? मैं जरूर जा रहा हूँ कहीं बात करने. कि क्या होने वाला है जाके? आप जाके हर बार बात करके आते हैं. मैं जाता हूँ. What is the ROI? I like to speak. I like to motivate. मैं कितने छुट्टी के दिन I am with lot of good people. I have some time. 15 minutes.
So you are on secret 2.
Secret 2. Okay. I don't teach quality. Quality is bad. I teach qualityness. I don't teach religion. I teach religiousness. I don't teach happy. I don't teach you how to become happy. I tell you how you can be self in happiness mode. So the message is quality is not a religion. हम लोगों ने quality को religion बना दिया. That means what is religion? What is religion?
Set of guidelines which you follow blindly.
The last line was very powerful. Set of guidelines which we follow blindly. Last line पे तो उन्होंने कमाल कर दिया. Now I am knowing how why sabbatical is working. ये कुछ सोचने लगे हैं कि अभी थोड़े मेरे साथ आ रहे हैं. मेरे जैसे हो रहे हैं.
He has, sir. He is senior enough.
I can make up. I can make up. Religion is a mess. आपका second line. Religion is an organized crime. सबको बैप्टाइज कर दिया, सबको क्रिश्चियन कर दिया, सबको ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया, सौंप दे दिया, ये कर दिया. अब जीसस क्राइस्ट खुद आ गए, आर्च बिशप के पास आ गए. आर्च बिशप बोल रहे हैं मत आओ, तुम्हारा नाम रख के मैं बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ. 300 साल के पहले आप क्रूसिफाई हुए थे, आप वहीं चले जाओ. डोंट कम. इफ यू कम देन माय बिजनेस विल बी लॉस्ट. सो
God will see greater.
God
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yeah. I managed to see that type of films already. Organized crime. Be religiousness, whether it is your child, your daughter, your mother, allow them to flow, allow them to be natural. Trust the flowing, moving change. This is the crux of quality. Don't tell your people ISO हो रहा है, ये सब करो, ISO मिल जाएगा. Don't tell your people CMI हो रहा है, ये सब करो, CMI मिल जाएगा. Tell them, teach them that quality is not happening with the methods and manuals and operating procedures. Quality happens with a mental mosaic. The mosaic which has a lot of mental thought process. Methods kill quality and don't have numerical goals. Indians are very good in manipulating and getting that metric. Defect leakage 3% होना चाहिए. सर 3% क्या मैं 2.5 दिखा दूंगा. तो कोड डिफेक्ट डेंसिटी should be this many per man. में सर इससे कम दिखा दिया सर, मेरे को आप दे दीजिए. तो आप नंबर देंगे, वो भी नंबर दे देंगे, और वो भी KRA में अप्रेजल में ला देगा. So methods kill quality, numerical goal. Quality is nothing but development of TQP, total quality people. Develop that human consciousness. Develop that human consciousness, my friends, ladies and gentlemen. Do that. That is the third secret. Fourth secret is experience quality. आजकल लोग customer experience के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Good customer experience. You go to a shop, you feel the vibe, you feel the signal that this is something good. I will go and buy it again. Create a climate for your children, for your family, for your team members. Don't talk about the extreme, talk about the mean. I've used the word golden mean. Don't put anybody in extremes. If you are 9.99, you are a good student. If you are 2.99, you are a bad student. Don't go extremes. Don't create that. Create a right space for your people. Remember, seed has to sprout. आप क्या करते हैं? सीड बो देते हैं और रोड खुदाई करके देखते हैं ग्रो हो रहा है कि नहीं. सीड को गोल डाल देते हैं, उसके बाद रोड चेक करते हैं, उसको तोड़ते हैं, उसको पूरा सील कर देते हैं, पूरा सॉइल को आप पूरा खराब कर देते हैं. आप थोड़ा इंतजार कीजिए. You have sowed the seeds, you can reap that and harvest the success. You have to allow your child to sprout. You have to allow your wife to listen. You have to listen to your wife. You have to listen to your friends. You have to listen to your teacher. Most important thing is you have to give time. That is the third secret for quality. These are the experiences I have attained after, handling large teams and people and looking for all this. Fourth secret is quality is enlightenment. You don't have to go to a Buddha to become a quality guy. You don't have to sit in a Sarnath 3 and a Bodh Gaya and to become a quality guy. You just have to leave time for yourself. You are again coming closer. Live inwardly. Watch your inner self. No manifesto. कोई manifesto है आपके पास? From Monday? Any manifesto?
No.
Politicians लोग manifesto रखते हैं और बेवकूफ बनाते हैं हर 5 सालों में. Election. Politicians have manifesto and they keep telling you do this, you do that, you love the country. Do you love only India? किसने बताया आपके पिताजी ने, आपके माताजी ने बताया कि खाली भारत को प्यार करो. जर्मनी को भी प्यार करके देखिए, रशिया को भी प्यार करके देखिए. ये सब पॉलिटिशियंस का चाल है.
इसके बीवी ने बताया पुलिस में.
अच्छा, क्वालिटी को हैबिट बनाइए. 5 more.
No, I was talking about he's in police to back up.
So, it is very sad that the politicians have made you unnecessarily patriotic for votes. They have told you love only this country. Then you will only stay in this country. You will keep giving votes to those jokers. And you keep them in power always. And nobody can do anything. Even if I take 5 incarnations and I become a PM of this country, I can't save this country. Seriously, I'm telling you. Let Modi come, he will also go, then again Sonia will come. Something will keep rotation. ये क्या होता है ना, ये एक म्यूजिकल चेयर हो रहा है ये लोग म्यूजिकल चेयर खेल रहे हैं हम लोग के वोट्स पे. हर 5 साल कोई आएगा, कोई गाएगा, कोई सुनेगा, कोई it is no manifesto, no commandment, because quality is a habit. And the most important thing is the whole organizations have followed quality. The government of India has no quality guidelines. इतने बड़े बड़े कंपनीज आर डिलीवरिंग ऑन टाइम. इन सब कंपनीज के सीईओ को डाल दीजिए आप. वो 245, 43 सीट जो है उनको आप इवैक्यूएट कर दीजिए. पुट 543 गुड सीईओज ऑफ द कंट्री एंड रन दिस गवर्नमेंट. सी द चेंज फ्रेंड्स. They will deliver because they have delivered very small successfully. Most of the people are not even educated. They don't know what to sign. They are having scribes and translators only to sign. They don't even know what they are signing. The babus are making those bills and laws and documents. So quality is a habit. Enlightenment can happen when you are silent, when you are relaxed. Many of the time you are not relaxed. Are you relaxed now? Perfect? Pakka? Lock किया जाए. How can you prove me you're relaxed? How can you prove me that you're relaxed? He is actually relaxed, if you see. He is actually relaxed.
Completed engineering, not for job, so relax.
How many of you are silent? How many of you are silent? कुछ नहीं सुन रहे हैं. मेरी बातें आपके कान के तक नहीं जा रही है. आप और कुछ सोच रहे हैं. Silent need not be to become silent. Silent could be a signal which could happen even when you are talking. You can be silent when you are talking to others, sir. Yes, you can silently interpret something else. So do that as a habit. Enlightenment will happen. Enlightenment means कुछ घोड़ा नहीं आएगा यहाँ से, कुछ sun नहीं आएगा. Nothing will happen. Some halo effect star will be at your back. No, enlightenment means the state of emptiness. You are empty. Sometimes you are empty for a while. कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. बीवी यहाँ पटर पटर कुछ बोल रही है, बच्चा कुछ बोल रहा है, फिर भी आप कोई और दुनिया में है. ऐसा कभी हुआ है? रोज होता है. आप एनलाइटेड, आप बहुत ही एनलाइटेड. ऐसा रोज हो रहा है तो कुछ तो है आप में. बिकॉज ऐसा इंसान आजकल मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है जो इतनी ड्राइविंग रिपेलिंग फोर्सेस आर अराउंड यू, बट यू स्टिल आर लाइक अ मोनोलिथिक स्ट्रक्चर standing without any reaction. That means you have attained that enlightenment where you are relaxed. You can really do a quality work. You can go and help people on the road. You can do a CSR. You can do anything. But just be yourself. Don't try to copy. Don't try to imitate. The most important thing which I want to tell this evening is come out of the factory effect. अभी मैं सब कुछ करा दिया अपने बच्चों को, बच्चों के घर वाले ने, ऑफिस के बच्चों की बात कर रहा हूँ, 2000 टेस्टर्स को मैं वो AAT, BAT सब करा दूंगा, बट देन दे शुड डू एजाइल टेस्टिंग. सब लोग वो टी शर्ट पहन के आ जाएंगे, मैं AAT हूँ, SQA हूँ, CQA हूँ, सब लोग एक एक टी शर्ट पहन के आ जाते हैं, वी आर दिस. But that is a wrong way of reflecting quality. The real quality happens when you have taken the agile values and principles right into your system. It is internalized, it is institutionalized, and that is where you get success.
Like we say, you are breathing agile, you are eating agile, you are
Yes,
sleeping agile.
exactly.
That's how it should
That's all.
be.
So, my topic is 4 secrets. Take it light, take it easy, don't be worried, and you always need that mental framework to do quality, because till now what we have done in quality is just a milestone. Till now what we have done in quality in software is just a milestone. We have not done that ultimate quality where people will come, innovate, give ideas. ISO doesn't even talk about innovation. CMI at least talks about innovation through OID. The TMI is not talking. So many things have to happen. And software development is a very abstract science. I can make this chair good quality with the right PPM, with the right parts and measure, because it is visible, it is tangible. Software is not visible. But what you did, you wanted to convert the art into science.
The craftsmanship.
It's a craftsmanship. आपने क्या कर दिया? पिकासो का पेंटिंग को ला दिया आपने टोयोटा का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग मॉडल में. आपने MF हुसैन का पेंटिंग को प्रेडिक्ट करने लगा डिफेक्ट प्रेडिक्शन मॉडल लगा के. कम ऑन, वो तो चौथा स्ट्रोक क्या होगा उसको खुद नहीं पता है. उसको फिर रिपीट करने बोलिए, वो सक्सेस वो नहीं कर पाएगा और एक नया स्ट्रोक बना देगा. बिकॉज इज अ क्राफ्ट्समैन. हर दिन वो सोचता है, बिकॉज हिज माइंड इज वेरी फ्री. He can think on the spot impromptu and deliver success. He's not documenting that success and trying it in another company. No, that is what is quality. Quality is one which is not worth documented because you have put a lot of passion from your heart to do it. Okay? So fine. With these few words and in the interest of time, I'm signing off. Have a good weekend.